What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. And for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love. All right, so let's get started. Now, today we're going to be making a breakfast skillet. Now, I'm using some potatoes. I have some sausage here, kielbasa, and I have some red and green bell peppers. And I got some butter, of course, and we're going to be using a little salt and pepper. All right, so let's go. Now we're going to cut these sausage into little bite-sized pieces, like so. All right. Now I like to cut them up in cubes once I get started here. All right. So we're going to get those cut up, and we're going to move on to the next. Now that's out of Canadian bacon. I'm still confused of why they're calling it bacon, because they're just little ham slices to me. But anyway, I fried those up. I'm going to chop that and add that in there too. Now, you can add whatever you want into your breakfast skillet. I've done it with bacon, sausage, breakfast sausage, and with chunks of ham. All right. So now I've sauteed the bell pepper and onion already. And we're just going to add that in with the whole sausage. We just mix it all together, blend it up. I just like the aroma of it, and then plus I'm trying to get a little char on the Polish sausages here because that gives it a nice extra kick. All right, now go ahead and open up those potatoes. We're gonna mix those in now. Okay. Now these potatoes I like. They got the seasoned. They're seasoned, and you can see the seasonings in it, and you get it all mixed in there. And then I like to add in a little butter, of course. It's unsalted. Okay, so we're just going to mix that all up as well. All right, and so the butter, get it all melted, blend it in. All right, so now we're just going to cover that up and let it cook for a little bit. Okay, now so let's get started on the eggs, because we're going to put eggs on top of this, the potatoes. Okay, so I've gone ahead and add a little salt and pepper into it, just a little bit, not much, and blend it in there. Okay. Saffron. Me and the saffron, I'm on the saffron kick. Now, ta-da! It's good, you guys. All right, yum. So now we're just going to scrape it up a little bit. I probably should be using the metal spatula, but it's working. So you just let it sit a little bit more. Now we're going to add our egg batter mix on top of it. Okay, just like so. Look at there. All right. Now all this is just going to cook in the skillet. Okay. You don't have to worry about it. Just let it cook for about 5 minutes. Don't touch it. So just kind of, it's going to start to cook on the bottom. All right. So now let's check it. See where it's at. All right. So it's just about done. I had to get a different spatula, of course. So you just kind of want to scrape it off the bottom, and you want to get it where you got a little crust. All right. And you just blend it all up. Now we're going to add on some cheddar cheese. Yeah. We're going to put some cheddar cheese on top of this. This is a breakfast skillet. That's what I'm saying. All right? We're just going to even that out. Now, we're going to put the lid back on it again. And we're going to let it cook until the cheese is melted. All right. Here we go. Wow. See? That looks really good, you guys. I'm excited. Everybody's excited. They can't wait to eat up in this house. Talking about I took too long doing this. Let's give it a taste. Look at that, guys. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's a crowd pleaser there. All right, see how that looks, you guys? I'm gonna get us a little taste. All right, it's already looking good. Let's see. Wow. Now, you got a couple of steps to do it, but it took me about 30 minutes to do this. Okay, so you can do it. 35 minutes. Let's give it a taste. Look at that gooiness of that cheese. Yummy. All right, y'all. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. Always, What You Cooking, Roach. Bye-bye.